Good morning guys, or good afternoon, or good evening, whenever you're watching this. Welcome back to my channel and to my advent calendar adventure. And if you're new, welcome, you are so welcome, and thank you so much for watching my videos. I post every single day in December from the 1st till the 25th at 9 AM in the morning, every single day. Please consider liking the video, subscribing to my channel, and then ringing the little bell so you get notified every time I upload. Can you hear that my voice is a bit weird? I can hear it and I can feel it. I feel so ill. I will persevere, and this is important to me, so it's happening. And this hat is cheering me up a little bit. I bought this in Co-op for £2. I probably made it for 20p. And the Dubai cup is back again today. I'm trying to find my Christmas cup. I've got this really amazing, massive Christmas cup. Can't find it to save my life. Right, calendar time. Okay, so it's the 7th of December today. Am I going to find it quickly? Nope. Ah! Ooh! That is also a very cool combination of colours. Oh, it's not really showing up. It's like a lime green. So it's called Tulsi Clarity, an illuminating blend to shine a light on your day. Oh, I should shine a light on my Tulsi leaf, green Rama, purple Krishna, and lemon Vana. What? You just made that up. It literally just smells like tea. I can't really trust my nose right now. Could be anything. Chocolate, and I definitely need chocolate today because I feel sorry for me. Where's number 7? Oh, do you know what I should have got? Did you ever have those advent calendars that was just like a flat piece of paper where you opened little doors to just another picture, and then on the back of the picture, so yeah, you would open it. So say it was like a Christmas village, that was the picture, and then when you opened it, you revealed a space or something, and then here on the back of it was another picture, so you could take that off and glue it on. That is the most nostalgic thing, and I'm getting that for next year. It rolled away. You know, I've got one of those headaches that I can't lean over without the pressure just going, but I'm gonna have to, because I dropped my chocolate. Oh, my body hates me. Okay, so it's another one of those tiny balls, but this one is red. The last one we got was white. I think this is what man flu's like. Fight me. Today I want to talk about Christmas music, and especially my Spotify playlist. So I started making my Christmas playlist years ago. It's been growing every single year. In the beginning it was kind of just your old traditional classics like Wham's Last Christmas, Mariah Carey, All I Want for Christmas, Celine Dion. It's just the big guys. Now I've got all sorts of stuff on there. Like one of my favourite Christmas songs at the moment is Everglow and Christmas Lights from Coldplay. I'm gonna like read out a couple. I extended that list last night as well, and I love it so much. I love it so much. I'm gonna try to do a Christmas video about Christmas music without getting a copyright strike. I'm still a little bit confused about that. Still a bit, like a tiniest bit of a copyrighted song. But if you play it, I think you then, if your channel was monetized, which mine obviously isn't yet, subscribe to my channel. I think the record label that owns the song gets the majority of the profits from that song, and you get a copyright strike. I'm a little bit far off. I need another 940 subscribers before that becomes a problem. Tastes like nothing, but it's really nice right now because my throat's killing me. Okay, so what you're going to need to do for me today is let me know your favourite Christmas songs. The Christmas songs that you cannot have Christmas without. It's not Christmas. I mean, for me, it's not Christmas before I've gone through a decorated Christmas shop. Like you walk through Debenhams or something like that, and you hear, Last Christmas. Is that enough before a copyright strike? A copyright? Nope, I'm not even going to do it today. Nope. That doesn't qualify as a foreign moment. Oh, do you know another song that I really like? And I don't particularly listen to Justin Bieber, but Justin Bieber. Okay, fine. Justin Bieber's Mistletoe is actually a really good Christmas song, and that's on my list. It made it on the list. The best ones, It's Beginning to Look a Lot Like Christmas, and Chestnuts Roasting on an Open Fire. That's weird. It literally started playing Mistletoe. I need your favourite songs, give them to me so I can put them on my list. Or if there's like a version of a song, like yesterday I found, what was it I found? I was looking through Pentatonic's Christmas album, and obviously they do a cappella versions of already written songs, and wow, they've got some awesome ones. God rest ye merry gentlemen, Pentatonics, and my grown-up Christmas list, the Pentatonic's version of that, with Kelly Clarkson, is really, really good. Norwegian ones! Even if you don't understand Norwegian, Hemma til jul, that's a good one. Hey Ho from Freddie Callas. Go on Spotify and listen to Hey Ho by Freddie Callas. It doesn't matter that you don't understand what they're saying, that is such a cool vibe from, like, it's just like blah, language. But it just gives you such a good feeling, just the whole beat of it. Freddie Callas, Hey Ho. Oh, I'll Be Home for Christmas. Rod Stewart, Let It Snow. Oh, Little Drummer Boy, Kenny Rogers. Oh, Mary Did You Know as well. Pentatonics does a version of that. There's also a girl called Zara Larsson that's made a version of Mary Did You Know. She's a Swedish singer and it's so beautiful. It's kind of one of those, if you haven't heard the song, it's kind of a little bit depressing sounding, but it's really, really beautiful. It's really beautiful. Oh, Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. Sorry guys if you think this is really boring. Get these songs on your list. This is valuable information that I'm giving you here. Ooh, Santa Baby, and I've got two versions of that. I've got Haley Reinhardt, which is more of a jazzy version of it, and I've also got Eartha Kitt, of course. Santa Claus Is Coming to Town, Jackson 5, and Frank Sinatra. Oh, and then there's a really, really cute one. It's called Silver and Gold, and if you've not heard it, it's this old man. It's called Bert Ives, and it's so cute, and it's from the Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer film, and it's so cute. And of course, Winter Wonderland. Cannot have Christmas without Winter Wonderland. So I've got 4 versions of this. I've got Tony Bennett, got Vanessa Hudgens, there we go. And I've also got Pentatonics' version and Bing Crosby. And then I've also got Pentatonics' You're a Mean One, Mr. Grinch, which, oh my god. And can we just chat? Netflix? Excuse me? So, The Grinch has been on Netflix since July. That's based on a tweet I saw that somebody said that it's been on there since July, and they took it away just in time for December. That makes no bloody sense. It's The Grinch! I mean, I've got the DVD, but that's not the point, is it? Netflix, put it back. I also saw a tweet of somebody saying, I watched half of The Grinch last night, which was the last day of November, and then she said I was going to come back and watch it today, and it's gone. I've got loads more songs on this list, but I'm not going to bore you with all of them. But honestly, if you have a favourite Christmas song that I haven't mentioned, or a version of a song that you think I should hear, please put that down below. And if you're from a different country where you've got something that's, I don't care if it's in a foreign language, I would love to hear it anyway, so please put it down below. 7, and it's a really awkward one. What's going to happen when this triangle comes out? That really hurts my OCD. Oh, right. Ooh. No. No. It's better. It's gonna have to do. Right, so the one today looks like this. Little car. Driving home for Christmas. That's another one. I definitely have that on my list. Oh, God. Oh, that's the French bit. Scientist Rosalind Franklin was crucial in the discovery of the true structure of DNA and has posthumously? Does that mean after she died? I think it does. Received a huge amount of recognition for her contribution. Oh, that's sad. I always find that really sad, like scientists or artists or musicians that didn't know, like poets, so many poets that never knew how successful their art was going to be until they died. That is heartbreaking. Oh. Ta-da! Shower gel. Warm vanilla shower gel. That's nice. So this is the mini version of the shower gels that they do. They usually come in like a little gift packs. So you usually get one of these and then one of those, the thing that you scrub your body with. Loofah. Vanilla is a little bit of a hit and miss with me. No. I might give this to someone who... Do you know what it smells like? Vanilla Coke. There was a time, like a 5-year period of my life, where anyone I would meet, I would always ask, are you a cherry Coke person? Are you a vanilla Coke person? Because I think vanilla Coke is the most disgusting thing that's ever been made. And the reason for that is because I feel like it tastes like cough medicine. At least the cough medicine that I was given. And this smells like that. Yeah, I'll give this away. Alright guys, so that's it for today's episode. I hope you have an absolutely fantastic day. Please do let me know your favourite Christmas songs down below. And send me some thoughts and prayers, because I'm... say no more. But have an absolutely fantastic day. Remember to like and subscribe to my channel and ring the little bell so you get notified when the videos come up. I will see you tomorrow. Have a lovely, 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 lovely day. Farewell.